Hiya and welcome to an unboxing of Creepy Chaos. So it arrives to you in a box like this. You can sign up for either 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. The prices vary. £20 for 1 month, I think it was 51 or 53 for 3 months and 101 for 6 months. So obviously the more you pay for, the less it costs you. It's UK based. They also do a Comic Chaos and a Candy Chaos, but this one is Creepy Chaos, so anyone that knows me goes for anything horror. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Ready?
Welcome to hell.
Right, so first off you get some of the leaflets. So this is what this box is, the Creepy Chaos. So look at the website there. This one's for the Candy Chaos. No, sorry, Comic Chaos. I've got the candy one here, sorry. Candy. And we've got a 5% off voucher. Okay, let's see. So we get this. This is Nightmare Before Christmas. Now, on my camera it seems to look blue, but it's actually purple. It's quite cool. Next we have some zombie jerky. Then we've got a scary gel stick. See that? Blood. Wow. Let's have a look. Okay, there you go, so you can stick that on a window or a mirror or something. It's quite thick as well. Little package. It's a zombie survival can, so an energy drink I would assume by the looks of it. We've got some little bits there, can you see that? We've got a couple of sweets by the looks of it. York. Dark chocolate. We've got a little badge, Joker badge. Where's the stereo? We've got a pop figure. Love the pop figures. And it's one that I don't have, which is great. So this is a Woodbury Walker. Look. We then have a comic, which is a DC Comics I've got, which is I, Vampire. So we'll have a good read of that. And it comes all packaged well. And last but not least, we have a t-shirt, which is a zombie t-shirt by the looks of it. See? So that looks actually pretty cool. I've actually had this box for about a week and not managed to open it, but I have seen a couple of pictures floating around, so I kind of had a rough idea what was in the box. Creepy Chaos, pretty cool, UK based. Shall be getting it again, especially next month, it being October. You can pretty much sign up whenever you've got the money for it if you really want to. I'll take some pictures of everything and I'll put them on my horror page, so if you check that out, I'll put the links below. I'll put the links below for Creepy Chaos and everything else as well for you. Okay, thank you for watching.